Do you know that this AI-powered channel earns anywhere from $33,000 to $500,000 every month, according to Social Blade? It's incredible to think that content focused on adorable cats can generate such huge income. The best part? This niche is not only easy to tap into, but it's also highly attractive, with little competition so far. I've seen few guides on how to break into this area, and that's why I've created this tutorial just for you. Stick around to discover how you can create similar content with free AI tools and start your own journey to success. Hello everyone, welcome to Making Money with Leo, your go-to channel for all things finance, investments and wealth building. I am Leo, and I am thrilled to have you here with me. Want to turn your cat obsession into a golden opportunity? Hey there, fellow cat enthusiasts. Ready for some mind-blowing news? There's a secret goldmine in the world of content creation, and it's all about our furry friends. I'm talking about an AI-powered channel that's raking in anywhere from $33,000 to $500,000 monthly just by sharing adorable cat content. And guess what? The playground is still wide open for newcomers like you. Let's jump right in. The secret sauce: AI magic. Remember when creating content meant expensive cameras and years of editing experience? Well, those days are gone. We're living in the future, and AI is our new best friend, after cats of course. The best part? You don't need to break the bank to get started. Step 1. Become a cat artist. No drawing skills required. This AI-driven channel has proven that storytelling, especially when it revolves around cats, can attract millions of views. By leveraging artificial intelligence, they've managed to produce engaging and visually stunning videos that captivate viewers. What makes this niche even more remarkable is that there's still little competition, creating a massive opportunity for newcomers to dominate. You don't need to invest in expensive software or complicated tools to get started. In fact, with AI and free resources, you can create high-quality content without spending a dime. Let's dive into the process and start creating. Step 2. Image creation with AI tools. First, head over to Leonardo AI, a powerful platform that allows you to generate creative images. Once you're on the site, search for cat-related images. For a fun twist, search using keywords like playful cat or fancy cat to get a variety of cat images in different styles, poses, and settings. What to do next? Generate custom cat images. Think of a creative cat scene. For example, imagine a cat wearing a fancy bow tie or one lounging in a sunbeam with a relaxed expression. Leonardo AI lets you bring these visions to life. Download your images. After generating several images, browse through them, pick your favorites, and download them for use in your videos. Think of it as your magical art studio where you can create any cat scene your heart desires. Want a majestic cat wearing a tiny crown? Done. Dreaming of a cat floating in space? Easy peasy. How about a cat having a tea party? You got it. Just type in your wildest cat-related ideas and watch the magic happen. Step 3. Adding cat sounds for extra charm. Every masterpiece needs the perfect soundtrack, right? Find that perfect purr that makes everyone go. Grab some playful meows that'll make hearts melt. Mix in some cute little chirps for extra charm. Once you have your images, it's time to make your videos even more engaging by adding cat sounds. Head over to Pixabay and dive into their treasure trove of cat sounds, and you'll find a variety of meows, purrs, and playful noises. How to use them? Browse the sounds. Go through the sounds, listening to different options. You'll find everything from a gentle purr to energetic meows. Download the sounds. Once you've selected the perfect sound, download it for free and prepare to add it to your video. Step 4. Editing your video using CapCut. Now that you have your images and sounds, let's move on to creating the actual video. CapCut is an excellent free video editing tool that's easy to use and perfect for beginners. Here's how you can edit your video. Start a new project. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the cat images and sounds you've collected. Pro tip: keep each clip around 5 seconds, just enough time to make viewers smile without losing their attention. Add animations. You can add smooth transitions or animations to your images. Just click on the image, select Animation, and apply it to all images for a consistent effect. Save and export. Once you're happy with the video, click the Save button at the top, export the video, and you're ready for the next step. Step 5. Uploading. For turning your creativity into a revenue stream. And hey, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Your support not only keeps us going but also helps us bring you more content just like this. Thanks again for watching. Remember, you're just one idea, one tool, or one step away from transforming your passion into income. You're ready to rock. Remember, every viral cat video creator started somewhere. Why not start your journey today? The cat content world is waiting for your unique touch. Got questions? Feeling stuck? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you turn your cat content dreams into reality. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more perfect tutorials. Catch you in the next one. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.